Why do HVAC repairs sometimes uncover additional problems? HVAC repairs sometimes reveal hidden problems because heating and cooling systems contain many connected parts, and one damaged part can hide or cause trouble in another. An HVAC system works like a team, so a repair rarely involves only one part. For example, a clogged air filter can restrict airflow, making the blower motor work harder and causing it to overheat. When a technician replaces the motor, they may discover damaged wiring, worn bearings, or a dirty fan that helped cause the failure. A small refrigerant leak can also make an air conditioner run longer than normal, which may wear out the compressor or freeze the indoor coil. Sometimes the first problem is only a symptom, not the true cause. Water around a furnace or air conditioner might come from a blocked drain, but the technician could also find a cracked drain pan or mold growing inside the line. Older systems often have several worn parts at once because age affects belts, electrical connections, insulation, and safety controls. A careful technician tests the whole system after the repair, checks airflow and electrical readings, and explains which discoveries are urgent and which can wait. Ask for photos, test results, and a written estimate before approving extra work. One common mistake is assuming the first broken part caused everything, so ask the technician to explain the root cause and how the recommended repair prevents it from happening again. Another mistake is replacing a part without checking airflow, refrigerant levels, or electrical power, so request a complete system test after the repair. People also sometimes approve every suggested replacement without asking what is unsafe, what affects performance, and what is simply preventative, so ask for those three categories separately and compare repair costs with the system's age. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.